Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how to make a slime. See, it is a parallel O slime. When we stretch it, it breaks. I have an idea for making a slime. We have to use Boroplast and Favicum for making slime. I have to put both the things in a container like this. And then we have to mix it properly, very properly for some time. It will take some time. After some time, see, it will look like this. See friend, it is so stretchable and very fluffy slime. See friends.